guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today I have a really cool product. It's a LED light, but it's a little bit different. It actually screws into a socket. And I happen to like this style because it's perfect like for a garage. If you have a bunch of these sockets, you know, we're unfinished location because it's quite large. This is the light. And what we're going to do is, right now I'm recording a video and I'm using two box lights, but inside the box lights I have a 5-way socket, and of those 5-way I'm only using 3 each, and each one has a 100-watt LED in it. So I got 300 watts here and 300 watts here. However, this particular light is only 100 watts each, right? And this is the light, okay? And you could angle them in any which way you like in terms of putting light any way you want. And you can even go a little bit further and actually focus them straight down like a funky design like this. And it screws right into the socket. The amount of light that this thing gives is amazing. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to replace these lights with these two. So one's going to go on that side, the other one's going to go on that side, and you're going to judge based on how you see it right now to next. And you tell me what if you notice a difference. And simple as that. So we're going to go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So you can see the difference. Should be pretty cool. How's it look? There they are, they're on. Pretty cool. What's the best way to do a review? Use the lights during the review. How awesome is that? So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And if you want to become a member, I have a join button now. You can become a member, and there's some perks that'll happen. And you get some really cool emojis and stuff like that when you become a member, and it just shows your support for JoeteckTips, myself. Everything, all the proceeds go right back into the business, right back into the YouTube channel, and I get new hardware, whatever it needs, or gift cards for that matter. Take care, and we'll see you next time.